Hey guys, Kodiak Vance. Welcome to our first unboxing party. Let's make sure this table doesn't roll away on us. I'm Aaron, it's my son Austin. Hiding in the corner over here. Trying to lock a wheel down. Get it?
Got it.
Got it, good. Anyway, we're gonna unbox some tools we spent a whole lot of money on. This is probably one of 2 videos, and maybe actually 3, because we've got even more coming later this month. Anyway, let's get to it. Pick me one. What do we got? This. Well, you want to go with the big one first, huh?
Yep.
Go big or go home. That's right. Taught you well. I don't think we need to see the boxes. Oh! This is the fun one.
Yeah, you go.
Slamming under the car. Hey, we got wheels, rugby wheels in there.
Yep.
Anyway, this is like Christmas. Here's our lift to screw around underneath the vans with all of our fancy wheels. We're not going to put anything together. We're just opening it all up. All right, cool. My trusty assistant. Get rid of that.
Underneath?
Sure. We can put it under here. Let's go with this one here. This one's funky. Let's see what this stuff is.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, hey. Yeah, every shop has to have these. You all know what these are. Little handy dandy clamps. So I got 2 of them together here.
4.
So there's a total of 4. Awesome. We need those. You got that?
Yep.
Yes, sir. What's that? This is a hydraulic clamp. This is for when we make battery cables. The electronic system. So it's a hydraulic one because some of those augs are extremely... Okay, we'll have to read the directions on that. Oh, there we go. It has different size fittings for each of the different batteries that you're crimping down. But it's hydraulic, so it just crushes it. Awesome. Oh, wait, gotta have the stuff. Wait. This is a boring one. This is for our shop vac on the miter saw tables. Just punch it. So what we do is we have a Home Depot or Lowe's bucket. So the sawdust will come in here, it'll swirl around because this goes inside here. So it makes it swirl around, and then air comes back out, so less sawdust goes into the actual vacuum. And this just is a holding tank for all the dust or aluminum or whatever. Aluminum. Wait! Ah! A lot of this stuff, pretty much all of it came from Amazon. We got 18 fuel. We got a bonus pack here. So here's some small clamps, similar to the ones we just did. What's that?
This is the...
that's the router.
Yeah, router.
We're not sponsored by Milwaukee, although I have a ton of Milwaukee tools and batteries. If you're listening, Milwaukee, call me. Get close up here. Oh, then your boring old clips. Boring clips, but they're needed. So these are very similar, like the one up there on the GoPro on the door. And those little clamps. Like some sauce. Here's another one. Oh, a stripper tool for stripping wires for all of our electrical. I'm not sure what this is.
It's gonna be needed.
Huh?
It's gonna be needed.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All the wires in the van.
Yeah, that makes it so much easier to strip wires. Oh goodness. Oh, here we go. Oh crap, I ordered another one. I just ordered another one of these. Damn it.
Better cancel it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cancel it. So these are for all of our solar connections. So like up on top and, no, we won't use it in the van, but up on top when we put the 2 solar panels together or 3 solar panels together, whatever. So we got lots of extra wire and crimping tools in here.
Get a bunch more Milwaukee.
God, I forgot I ordered this already.
Milwaukee.
Ooh, batteries. Yeah, let's get those on the charger. We've been going through those. Seriously. And one last thing. Get rid of that. Another crimping tool.
Another
What one is it? So they put a plastic piece inside of a box, inside of a box. That's saving the environment.
Yep.
So these are for our PEX, but I'm not going to use these. This is just for like an emergency type of situation. Basically, you know, the PEX plumbing that we're going to do, we're using PEX Plus, so we'll have a different tool in here hopefully if it came. Otherwise, this is, you would crimp these around the connections where you would put the pipe into, say, a fitting or an elbow or something, and then that's the big crimper. Crimps them all together.
Nice.
Let's see your plumbing doesn't leak. But the other ones we've got that will be our primary use, those are solid. Maybe we'll find one today. Ooh, these damn things are just about as expensive as the saw. Look at the size of that thing, man. It's huge. It's like ginormous head.
It's bigger than my head.
Yeah, and there's two of these is about the same cost as the saw.
Seriously?
Yes, they are expensive.
That doesn't make sense.
They are extremely expensive. Well, and you burn through them too, so I mean, figure you're gonna burn through one of those per van easily. Ooh, God, those are huge.
Another Milwaukee.
Hey! Like I said, call me.
What's this?
This is the Rivet. This is the electric Rivet Gun. Is there? Here we go. You know what a rivet is?
Yep.
Basically a metal nail stuck together. Let's see. Let's see. Fancy. God, that's heavy. This has a different battery setup.
I think that still goes on the charger, doesn't it?
This is like the
Yeah, that goes on the.
dragging.
Probably should read the instructions.
You probably should read the instructions. Ooh, goes in there.
We got an item.
We got a little tool. Get that in there. Keep the directions. Keep the box. Get that away.
Up here we got
Ooh, what do you got?
some measure sticks. We got 12 feet.
Oh, that goes on the chop saw.
Chop saw.
So when we build a chop saw table, it goes down here. We take that and it glues down on the table from the blade. So we know when we're sliding 80-20 down, we know exactly what the measurements are, how long it is. And then we cut it.
Pretty good. Probably put that behind us.
Oh, look at all the tools. Oh, Milwaukee, please call me. I will test all of these out for you. You'll put them through the test.
I'll find what breaks them.
I want to look at that later. Yeah, let's break some stuff.
Over here we got coatwood.
Coatwood.
What's this?
That sounds like Chinese. Ooh. I opened Christmas too early.
Got one. We got the high versatility.
Those are the bits for the router. So that's a bit kit for the router,
kits.
which is somewhere in this mess.
Is this camera still working?
Nope, that one turned off. Can't trust these cameras, I tell you.
Well, it's still rolling. Just
Oh, is it?
Fades
Oh,
up, yep.
The screen just turned off. Okay.
deal.
Well, here's a what do you call that when you spoil the ending?
spoiler.
Spoiler alert. Yeah. So spoiler. That's what it was. Spoiler alert. Duh. You know what that is?
This looks like
not.
sanding.
I'm not telling because it's in here
This is for sanding stuff.
somewhere. So we bought a bunch of Wen tools, and we have them down here where you can't see them. This one you can probably see a few of them down here. But we're gonna have a Wen opening, but we've got 2 more coming, and then we'll do a Wen opening tool show for you. It's like the cooking channel over here. Oh, hey, there's a dado plate for our, yeah, so this is, so when we do the drawers, we have to do dado cuts on all around the drawers so that when they go together, I'll explain it to you later. Anyway, that's a dado plate for the Delta saw that we did a video on previously. Go look in the corner. That corner?
This corner.
That corner?
Left corner.
Go look in this corner. We'll put it up there or we'll put it down below.
Looks like a VDA.
Yeah, so that goes over there with that.
Up next, we got big
What's
box.
up? Help yourself.
Help myself indeed.
It's pretty warm. It's Arizona. July, Arizona. And it rained all night long.
Bunch
So
of
it's humid. No more of that, young man.
over here, we got the clamp meter.
Oh, hey. Yes, the voltage meter. You can check all our wiring. You'll never guess what this is. This is the coolest thing. Show that to our audience. Should you? More clamps. These little grippy clamp things. These ones are 4-inch.
How does this even work?
So what it does is you take your screw gun and you put this in your screw gun, right? And this is a handle, and you got your handle on your screw gun. And what this does is this goes up and down really fast. So like, let's say when we're doing the roof rack, there's plugs that we have to take out, and sometimes in the vans, the Fords and the Mercedes, the bolt hole that's there, like in the Fords, they put them underneath all of those plugs, and if they don't line up, we need to like shave a little bit of metal away so we can get that screw to go in straight. This will nip little edges around it so we can get it in and paint it so it doesn't rust, and
We're good.
call it a day. Were you doing this one, Austin?
What is it? This Milwaukee's again.
Oh, I know what this is.
Milwaukee, we got the, what do you call this?
That is called Sawzall.
Sawzall.
Well, it's
Jigsaw.
Jigsaw. Yeah, Sawzall's the big one over there.
Milwaukee, come on.
Call us. We're killing it here for you.
This whole video is just gonna be talking about Milwaukee.
Oh, I know what that is. Don't open it up.
Oh, that's when.
Yeah. That goes on the one of the wind. This is. Hey, it's a
Spring pipes.
It's a hose.
Why do you have a hose?
It's not.
Oh,
What is that?
I was gonna say.
What am I buying? Oh, it's a hand riveter. That the Milwaukee one is electric powered riveter. In the event that goes bad, we still have a hand riveter for a backup.
Oh, fun.
So it's really hard to cram that shit together. Oops, sorry. Watch your language. Gotta get that out. This is good. Can really mess some stuff up with this one.
Made in China.
China. China.
21 tape. I swear, every day boxes get more complicated.
The vice clamp that we have coming in. So they're magnetic, and then that way, so these two pieces go together like this. So you can put a round pipe in here or at an angle, and it'll block it and hold it instead of bending it. We'll clamp it in.
That's neat.
Pretty cool. What's that? I don't know. We'll find out what this is. We still good? All right, we're good. I not trust these cameras. They keep turning off on me. Dad and I'm a rookie photographer trying to do all this.
Part of my reach.
Pardon your reach. Look at this. It's a mini me briefcase. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Oh,
These are the
drills?
Yeah. So these drills, they basically each section you go down is a different measurement. So it goes from quarter to 1 3/16. The further you go down is another. Yeah. So both are valuable. Lots of drill bits.
Drill bits.
That thing is still on?
Yep.
Cool. Ooh. today.
Gotta get the
Yeah, the
special thing.
Yeah, what goes? Ooh, no, that's something different.
Metal bender.
Yeah.
Should we open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pull that bad boy out. You can do it. Super heavy. This is our aluminum bender. Not having bracket needs to be straight.
I hate aluminum. Not aluminum.
Styrofoam.